In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily combine Mailchimp audiences in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a Mailchimp beginner or a seasoned pro looking to streamline your marketing efforts, consolidating your audiences can make managing your email list a lot more efficient. So let's dive right into the process. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Mailchimp account. You can do this via your browser, or if you prefer, using the desktop app. It's important to ensure that you have the appropriate permissions or access to the account and audiences you wish to manage. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top navigation bar where you'll see several options. Click on Audience, then proceed by clicking All Contacts. This section is essentially the hub where all of your contacts are listed and where you can manage them efficiently. After accessing your contacts, look for the Settings option. Clicking this will open up a list of tools and features to help customize how you manage your audiences. Next, find and click the Manage Audiences button. This feature is where you can control and modify various aspects of your audiences, including merging them, which is what we're after today. Now here's the critical part. Identify the audience you want to combine with your primary audience. Next to this audience, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Manage Audience. Click on it and select the Combine Audiences option. This action will initiate the merge process. A pop-up modal will appear on your screen titled Combine Audiences. Within this modal, there's a drop-down where you can choose which audience will be your primary one. The primary audience will be the one retaining all merged data, so choose wisely and ensure you're selecting the intended audience to centralize your contacts. Once you've made your selection, you'll want to click Next to proceed. For those of you who have set up groups to further organize your primary audience, you'll have an opportunity to include these incoming contacts into specific groups. Check the relevant boxes for any groups you want these contacts added to. This grouping can help maintain organization and segmentation within your primary audience. After making your group selections, click Next to move to the confirmation page. Here you'll be prompted to enter the word Confirm to finalize the process. Once you've done this, go ahead and click Combine Audiences. And there you have it, the process to combine your Mailchimp audiences has been completed. In under 5 minutes, you've managed to consolidate your audiences, which will help simplify your email marketing campaigns and ensure more streamlined communication with your subscribers. Remember, regularly maintaining and optimizing your audience lists is crucial for effective email marketing. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.